Guys, so today this video is about Italy. So this scholarship video is about for bachelor and for master students only, not for a PhD. So you don't need to pay any kind of application fee, and you did not have to submit your IELTS or any kind of TOEFL score. You can just apply on the base of your English proficiency letter. So university name is university the actually study the Palermo. So you can submit your application on behalf of your good documents. So there is some kind of little bit information you can just the main website of university is here, like a master degree step-by-step procedure. Just click on that and you will get all of the information, like you choose your degree programs, prepare your required documents, register on. If before going to submit your application, you have to make your application portal here. Just click on the website and they will give you all of the information. You have to submit your email, your tax ID, and all of the things. After that, they will give you one or two confirmation email in your email address, so you have to click on that or access your university application portal. And what is the timeline? Submit your application. The last date is 15 March and they just open at 15 January. You can submit your last application until 15 March. And for the second call will be announced in 15 April. So you can submit the second application until 20 July. And what kind of documents you they need? Valid passport, a passport photo, copy of a bachelor degree, transcript record, and official language certification, or a medium of instruction from your institute, like or Duolingo test is not allowed. If you have a English proficiency letter, you can submit that one. They clearly mention here. You can look at here, just medium of instruction
Medium.
certification, so you don't need to provide any kind of IELTS there. And a tuition fee, if you want to apply on self-funded on a self-fund, they mention about a fee. There are two fee, like list A, list B, and other student. 206 euros you have to pay it. Otherwise you have to apply a ERSU scholarship. I will guide you in this video that how you can apply on a scholarship also. This one is for master, this one is for a bachelor. The same as the same documentation, same date, the last date to apply, and a timeline they mention about is 15 March from to 9 August and first to 2025. And for a bachelor, I think they will open from 12 March to 9 August. So you have to wait for a little bit. And what kind of required document they need, and for your valid passport, your ID, copy of your high school, and same as for your official language certificate. If you are if you want to apply for Italian degree program, then you have to pass that Italian language test here. Your original high school diploma, your bachelor enrollment documentation. And for bachelor, they also asking you a declaration of value and statement of comparability. And same as if you want to apply for without scholarship, then you have to pay this fee, like 206 fixed fee euros, and 256 fixed fee including your regional taxes. Okay, so these are basically for all of the information. And now I will show you that international students can apply for a lot of scholarship. The major scholarship is about IRSU scholarship, that you can also apply IRSU scholarship on base of a regional documentation, that you have to get income certificate from your union council, and you have to mention that you don't have, your family didn't cannot earn a lot of money, so you have, it's bad, you are going to apply for a IRSU scholarships. So the website is still not working. Later I will show you. Let's move toward that, how you can submit your application after making your account. I already guide you that how you can create your application. After creating application, just click on here, my application form and new application, and they, you will see that they will give you this page, like just click on translate the page. And they are asking the application for enrollment in a bachelor degree and a master degree. You have to choose first one and click on next. Okay, so there is a little information about a scholarship. Like, yes, you can see that scholarship issued 2025 and 26, scholarship for transnational education, scholarship for MACI, CRUI, a lot of scholarships here. So the first one is more important, so you have to apply on that. So this scholarship will give you a lot of a benefit, like I will just show you that scholarship exemptions, a reduction of fee, and other forms of concession. And here they mention about they will give you a financial support, they will give you accommodation, and they will give you access to a subsidized dining service. It means that they will give you a free food, they will give you a free accommodation, and they will give you a financial support. It means that your total tuition waived. Okay, so here you have to choose on the portal. You have to click on calls on a new enrollment, and you have to choose your bachelor degree here, bachelor enrollment to bachelor, and same as for the first one. Just click on next, and then have you ever been previously enrolled? You have to choose no, or just click on next. They're asking about if you ever applied for a degree program before or not. You can, it depends on you. If you already applied, you can give them information, otherwise no. Select degree program that you, in which degree you want to apply, your bachelor, master, a single cycle master program. So I will choose a master. Just click on master and select. And after that they will ask you that what kind of program you want to apply. So you have to choose your program here. For example, you choose a engineering, and just click on select. You can choose your relevant program. I just giving you a tutorial that how you can choose program, how you can submit your application. One more thing I wanna clear here: you don't need to pay any kind of application fee to University of Palermo, and you don't need to provide any kind of IELTS. And one more important thing is that there is some tricky to create an application portal account on this website. So be focused. Okay, next one is that you have to choose little information. I'm graduate student. I'm a graduate student. My university origin is Unipa, and my student ID is that one. Is a foreign. Your university is a foreign, so you have to choose a final grade. For example, a 4 out of, and cumulative graduate date. You can mention a graduate date. For example, I will choose a 30/09 and 2024. And you can mention your degrees here, about other things, and submit annotation to degree program. You can write about little bit about your last degree, and after that you can just click on assess. Sometime your page will directly convert it into Italian language, so better for that you can convert it into English cert. You can, okay, so you can just choose is no, and just click on ESS. Some universities, some kind of universities is they ask a lot of information about your degrees, your related information. So they're asking you about atomic assessment result. Click to next to Parwood. Just click on next. So I will attach all of the website link in my application portal, that you can easily get that one or submit your application. So here that create an application form. Just click, there is no personal photo, upload your photo. In this tab, the system add your personal photo. So you have to write or give them all of the information. Just click on create application form. Okay, so you can look at here. After that you have to attach your, in this application form you can attach one or more document in PDF format related to your previous university career. Select the attachment by clicking first on the choose button. Just click on choose file, and they will open up a computer directory. So here you can attach all of your document. For example, your transcript, your degree, your publication, your English proficiency letters, your job experience letter. All of the things you can attach in one PDF file, or you can submit it here. Just upload it. After that you have to apply, provide them, upload your photo, because they have to attach your photos in your student ID card later if you are gonna selected in this university for a scholarship. My internet is not working good. So for example, first I will choose, for example, here, just attach it and click on next. The next part is you have to upload your a valid passport. Briefly describe the reason for your application or motivation letter. So here you have to give them a complete information about why you are choosing this university, why you are choosing this program, what is your background, what is your skills. After uploading your passport, you have to click on confirm. Okay, so after uploading all of the documents, you can see that you have to choose all of the files from here, and then one by one, like a valid passport, your transcript record, your bachelor degree, your curriculum vitae, and your language certification. You have to upload all of the document in PDF file, and then your request is in the queue to be processed. After that, the submission, they will show you this: your application has been received and is now waiting for approval by administrative office that and the degree program coordinator. If you pass that step, that further that they will send you some other information that how you can submit your further application. So you have to check your Gmail regularly. If there is any notification, you can just click on that and follow the instructions. So share this video with your friend and with your education circles.